Welcome! Today, let's draw a nice scene, a comfy house, a sunny sun, and a green tree. Get your paper and colors, and let's make this scene pop. First, let's sketch out the basic shapes of our house, sun and tree. Draw a rectangle with a triangle on top for the house. Great job! Now, let's add some details to our house. Draw a door, a windows, Bravo! Now let's draw the shape of our tree. Great job! Now let's draw the shape of our sun. Bravo! Our scene is really starting to come together now. It's time to add color and make it even more vibrant. Choose your favorite colors and start filling in the different parts of the house, sun, and tree. You can use warm hues for the house, bright yellows and oranges for the sun, and various shades of green for the tree. You're doing wonderfully! Keep coloring until your umbrella is vibrant and eye-catching. You're doing wonderfully! Keep coloring until your umbrella is vibrant and eye-catching. wonderfully. Keep coloring until your umbrella is vibrant and eye-catching. Great job on your artwork! Thank you for watching! See you in the next video and subscribe our channel. Bye-bye!